how do you close the voice control on your iPhone? Let me cover the whole thing. Let's get started. If it's your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So if you have the voice control feature enabled, you will always see it in at the top of the screen. There's going to be a little blue icon with like the audio icon type of thing, and this indicates that your phone is always listening to you for the commands, so you can use your voice to get around. And if you want to stop that, you can open up the settings, go to the accessibility section, and the voice control has its own menu there, and all you have to do is just to turn it off. And that's really the case. That's the whole thing, right? Your phone will no longer listen to you and try to read your commands. But if you mean like closing the voice control, you might also mean the specific commands, because if you go to the commands section and find things like the basic navigation, you can see that there are places or commands which specifically close things. So if you mean that, this is where you can find it, and you can enable or disable the specific commands which close, for example, Siri, or close the specific apps, right? Or you can close many different things, but the point is that you might have that in mind, and that's what you really needed to know. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if I managed to help you out. If not, I think that I could help you out further in the future. So subscribe so you don't miss that, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.